Hey everybody, welcome back to Barbecue by Biggs. I'm Aaron, and today we're talking about probes. Do you have a drawer full of these laying around somewhere? We're gonna show you what to do to fix that. Come along with us, stay tuned. So just like you guys, we have a lot of these laying around in a drawer somewhere. Maybe we tried to roll it up, maybe we tried to tuck it into each other. It just doesn't work. It ends up into a mess, or you can't find what you're looking for. So we got tired of messing with them, got onto the CAD program, and developed a new product, the Universal Probe Holder. Let me bring you down here and show you how this thing works. So first thing to point out, it was designed for the straight ends or the angled ends. So with the straight ends, straight in here, there's a hole back there that holds it, right down there, and then you'll wind, and we'll show you that here in a minute. These angled ends, depending on how you prefer them, they can go this way with that sticking up. But if you want to protect that, there's also a cavity down there. Just kind of put that in there at a 45-degree angle, just like that. Pops down in there. That protects your end, and it protects your wire and your cap. So on the top of this, you'll see that there is an arrow that shows you which way to wind it. You just put it in, and you just wind it up. So when you get towards the end, you'll take your temperature probe, you'll slide it right into here. Then you'll just take this, crank it down. There you go, done. That'll store away in a drawer, or we do offer a storage holder for them. That's the straight one. Then for the angled one, there is a cavity down here. We'll put that in at like a 45-degree angle. Then we'll just take it and roll it up. Get towards the end, stick that into the hole, wind it tight. Just like that, done. What about my grill clips, you say? Well, the grill clips, they'll just clip right on the side of there. So when your temperature probes are new, sometimes they are not very flexible and they tend to unwind. All you have to do is take it and give it an extra little cinch and it'll stay. What about my ambient probe? Well, the ambient probe works the same way. Put it in there, we'll wind it up, take it at the end. Your end here, just stick it right in the hole. And then cinch it down. There you go. So after a lot of hours and a lot of time and a lot of misprints, you can see those on the screen here, finally came up with this product, and I tell you what, it works fabulous. If you're looking for one of these, you want to keep your temperature probes organized, drop down in the description or just go to our website, bbqbybiggs.com, click on shop, they'll be right there for you. Pick you some up. We'll see you guys on the next cook. Catch you next time.